What's going on, members of the Rocket Fan Nation? Well, here's an update. Well, remember that tree I talked to you guys about? Well, here we are. Oh, yeah, here comes the heavy rain. The tree branches down. I don't know when it decided to snap, but I think that tree's pretty much seen its last leg. So here's an update, part 2 video. Wow. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh wow. I don't want to get the camera too wet. But as you can see there, branch. Yeah, we're gonna start to get the gusts now. Woo! Wow. So I wouldn't be surprised if we lose this tree right here, the one that I told you guys about. Looks like we're gonna get the gusts right now. Wow. So I don't think that, I don't know. I don't think there's gonna be anything left of that tree. Wow. Let's get a quick shot of this. That's what I'm looking at. So that, yeah, I kind of figured that was going to happen. Wow. I don't want to get this camera wet, so. Wow. I didn't think that piece was going to break off that quickly, but it did. Wow. This is amazing. This is incredible. What a crazy time to be alive, that's for sure. Wow. And it feels a lot cooler too. That's a good thing about these storms. Woohoo! Wow. Incredible. What a crazy time to be alive. Well, I think there's only going to be one part of that tree left. I don't know if they're going to cut it down or put in a new one. I don't know what they're going to do. But, yeah. Winds are starting to pick up a little bit more. Wow. So, one last shot. I gotta be careful. That's that tree. And when I had that issue back in October 2020, well, it's safe to say that well, probably won't see that after today. This is incredible. And here comes another good gust. Wow. Incredible time to be alive. It really is. Yeah, we are going to get a lot of rain, like I stated in the first video. It's a good thing he cut the grass yesterday. But yeah, I don't think there's going to be much left of that tree after today. Wowee. This is intense. I kind of figured that branch was going to come off because of the way it was cracked. I didn't think it was going to last much longer. Well, it's getting real, guys. Wow, incredible. So I think there'll be 3 parts to this this process. Anyway, guys, this is the end of part 2. I'll see you guys in part 3. Remember, hit that big red subscribe button, notification bell, so you know I do crazy videos like this, or document these types of storms. You guys seem to really enjoy those. I might have to change out this battery, put in a new one, because this one's starting to die. I mean, I've had it in there for quite a while. But thank you so much for watching. Hit that big red subscribe button, notification bell, so you know I do awesome videos. Just any type of content. Like, share, subscribe, thumbs up this video. And I'll see you guys in part 3. Remember, as Mr. Rocco always say, you guys are unique, you're beautiful, you're awesome. Nobody will tell you different. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.